to the right and you can take the way to the park.
Hello. I am at the Furnavia con in Norway. It's kind of cool. I'm in my suit right now. I'm probably talking too not so loud, so probably have to edit the sound. Maybe, I don't know. It's just I'm not the kind of person who does video vlog stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go on a tour with you, I guess. And I can't believe I did that, but I freaking forgot my what's it called again? Forgot my selfie stick. Like, so this is like, I'm so close to the camera. And earlier, like, or I mean later, I don't know. Maybe I edit this in later, I have no idea. Then you saw me in Jack, which is Ruby's first suit. So that's amazing. It's a really nice suit. They're gonna sell it though. So in there you have like the lounge, I mean, duh. It's like beautiful sofas you can sit in, and they have like security stuff, so you know, keep safe. We have like a contest going on, like some games and stuff. Just information. It's awesome. So free drinks if you want. Then you have like these cool elevator stuff, which is amazing. And you can see me. Oh, this is me. Then I can show you guys the rest of the dragon. You have like the con-ops over there. Like, look at this. Very nice poster. Beautiful. Yeah. Here you guys have like a sitting lounge. Oh, you didn't win.
I didn't win.
No. These are the prizes. Oh yeah. Very nice. It's a very cool machine. Heck yeah. I don't know why this horse. Thank you. Here we have like sticker wall. Very nice. There's so much awesome art here.
You like the islands though?
If you want to be a rich, feel like a rich person, drink with a little finger.
I was about to say. You're just as gay as me, deep down. That does not compute.
So that was kind of the place where everything, which is, you know, awesome. Oh, I forgot to show you the launch thing. So, bruh. Shoot! Shoot, but. Head inception! Whoa! Bruh! Head, long neck, what? Map. What the hell is going on up in this hood? What's going on in this hood? What is happening? Breakfast! Yeah, breakfast! Bruh. Oh, here we go. Whoa. At the end of the line, I'll make you mine. Peaches. I love you.
Dein Reich komme, dein Wille geschehe.
Wie im Himmel, so auf Erden.
I'm not putting the name.
Where are we? Where are we? What? How did we get here? Oh, I can see myself. Oh, look! Oh my god! There's people there! Nice city view. Empty! So far down there. There's tiny furries down there. Look at them. That's Ruby right there. Oh my god, my camera is actually very good. How is this working? Are they filming me? Okay, that was kind of funny. You're so tiny. Oh well. Are we stuck here now? Yeah. Oh no, we are moving!
Yes. We're getting further than the other one now, we're moving that.
Are we on the top now? Yes!
Yeah, we're going down.
I guess. At least they are below us now.
Yes, they are.
Oh my god, they're even more tiny now.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my god. That's funny. Yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a very horrible vlog, but that's fine. Whoa. Bye-bye, babe.
Where is my phone? Then I do other.
vagina treats, and this is a perfume. Where people are wearing ridiculous, expensive carpets. A few specimens per day. veldig dårlig. Det her funker ikke. Du må snu den der det ikke har på da. Så ser det ut som den er lukket. Gjør det på nytt. I'm gonna do it again.
Fy faen, det sugerøret her var irriterende.
Ja, for du kommer til bunnen, og så får du faen ikke drukket det.
De har bare halve sugerøret.
I tried. Det går bra. Ok da.
Jeg vil ikke ødelegge fra den selv for en. Ok. Let's hear how
Jeg blir litt trygg. They are on the thing. Oh no, they saw me.
Du skulle hente lader, ja.
Ja.
Slapp på skuldrene og sånn. Ja. At ikke det går skrått ned, men at det går rett ned og så over skulderen. Jeg bare stapp den ned i genseren.
kansalaiset, on uusi vaarallinen huume. Lakupiippu. Tuo lakupiippu sekoittaa minun pääni.